Is looking good every day really that important? The answer to this question will depend on you. Research shows that people who look good are more likely to be successful. Perhaps it's the extra confident boost you get from looking good, or maybe people are just more receptive to others who put in the time and effort into their appearance. Looking good every day also opens us up to opportunities and possibilities. There's this common phrase where I come from that says, looking good is good business. And the good news is you can actually look good every day without spending a lot of money. In this video, you're going to learn the small things that can change your appearance and make you look good every day, even with a low budget. So let's get into this video. Number one, always choose a hairstyle that suits your face structure. I don't know if this has ever happened to you guys before, but it has happened to me several times. So let's say you go to Pinterest to look for hair inspirations and you see a beautiful hairstyle you love and you're like, I want to make this hairstyle. And then after making the hairstyle, you realize that you don't look beautiful. The hair does not look good on you. And then you go back to Pinterest and you're like, this is the same hairstyle I need. Why does it not look good on me? At that time, you might start concluding, oh, maybe because the girl is more pretty than I am. That's why this hair does not look good on me and it looks better on her. Well, that's not the problem. The problem is not because she's more pretty than you are. The problem is that particular hairstyle that you choose does not suit your face structure. That's why it does not look good on you. And that's very okay and understandable because we are not the same. We are all different. Our body anatomy is also different. Different people have different face structures. For example, most people have round face like myself. Some people have oblong face. Some people have oval face. Some people have heart-shaped face, etc. I have a round face and my face is really big. Over time, I realized that when I make hairstyles that goes all the way back, it exposes my face, bringing it out there and making it obvious that it's big. But when I choose hairstyles that tend to fall towards my face, for example, the way I styled this hair, or hairstyles like side parting or fringe, it tends to conceal my face and makes my face look smaller, making me look more beautiful. So understanding your face structure and choosing hairstyle that suits your face is the key to looking good every day without even spending lots of money. Number two, take good care of your skin. Remember, we are talking about how to look good every day and we are focusing on physical appearance. Our skin plays a major role in our physical appearance. No matter how you might try to hide your skin with clothes, some parts of your skin will still show. You won't be able to hide everything. For example, your face is going to show, which is still part of your skin. Your hands are going to show, which is still part of your skin. Your feet are going to show, which is still part of your skin. So just imagine you wearing a beautiful, nice dress with a beautiful hairstyle, and then someone looks at your feet. And your feet looks white, your feet looks scaly, it looks dry, that's going to have a negative impact on your overall appearance. So always make sure you take good care of your skin. Make sure you invest in skincare products and routines that work for you. And you don't have to spend a lot of money to have glowing skin. Let's say, for example, you have dry skin. So that means your skin needs hyaluronic acid. And you would like to buy hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. But The Ordinary is selling hyaluronic acid for $31, and that's way above your budget. You can invest in other affordable brands like Face Facts, for example, that sells hyaluronic acid between $10 to $15. That way, you're still going to give your skin what it needs, which is hyaluronic acid. This shows that you can achieve a glowing skin on a budget. So instead of focusing on the brands, focus more on your skin concerns, what your skin needs. Number three, accessorize thoughtfully. With accessories, you can transform a basic, simple outfit to something very chic and sophisticated. You can use accessories like scarves, belts, colorful handbags, jewelries, etc. to elevate your look. But when you want to use accessories, you need to be very mindful. You need to think about how the accessories you're going to use is going to affect your overall look. For example, let's say you decide to layer your jewelries. Layering your jewelries is very beautiful. In fact, it's another way to add a personal touch to your outfit. But you need to be careful how you layer your jewelries. Most people tend to go overboard with it. They tend to put so many jewelries. They tend to layer so many jewelries together, combining beads, different metals, gold, silver. And when the accessories is just too much, instead of making you look good, it makes you look tacky. So when you want to layer your jewelries, make sure that you think about the different types of jewelries you're layering if they go together, and also try to keep it simple. When it comes to accessories, less is more. Another way to accessorize your outfits is using handbags, belts, etc. Now, most people like to do matchy, and there's nothing wrong with matching your handbags, your shoes, or your hat together. But when you're doing matchy outfit, try to keep it on the minimal. Most people go overboard and tend to do over matchy. That way it's going to make you look like a mascot, like you're wearing a costume. So when it comes to matching your bags, matching your shoes or your hats together, try to keep it minimal. Number 4, clean clothes. Wearing clean clothes is one of the simple ways to make your overall appearance look good without even doing too much. When your clothes are clean, it makes you look more fresher and more presentable. This is your overall appearance, and it even helps boost your confidence. Number 5, clean and simple makeup. When your makeup is clean and simple, it enhances your natural features without overwhelming your face. It gives you this fresh and effortless appearance. Another good thing about simple and clean makeup is it's very versatile. It's suitable for formal to casual outings. For example, you could use a simple and clean makeup to work in the morning, and you could still use that same makeup for dinner in the evening. You can also achieve a clean and simple makeup look without spending lots of money. You don't need to spend money buying expensive products before your makeup looks good. For example, you don't need Charlotte Tilbury airbrush before your makeup melts in properly. Now, I'm not saying that those products are not good. Most of them are really good. But if they are not within your budget, there are other affordable brands that sell good makeup products that can help you achieve this clean girl makeup. There are drugstores like Elf and the rest, even in your locality, that you can buy and you still achieve a clean girl makeup. Number 6, always make sure that your clothes are ironed. Wearing iron clothes can affect your appearance positively in different ways. When your clothes are ironed, it removes creases and wrinkles, which makes you appear tidy and neat. And also, if you work in a formal setting like an office, when your clothes are ironed, it makes you look more professional. It shows that you pay attention to details. And it also makes you appear more polished and put together. Now, if you're someone who always have busy mornings, you know that you wouldn't have the time to iron your clothes in the morning. Always try to make sure that you iron your clothes in advance. This way, even if you're in a rush, your clothes will be ironed, which will still make you look good. Number 7, always maintain a good posture. Now, imagine you wearing a beautiful dress, having a beautiful, nice hairstyle, but then you have a bad walking posture, you have a bad sitting posture, you have a bad standing posture. This wouldn't make your overall appearance look flattering at all. You can easily improve how you look by paying attention to your posture and body language. When you sit upright, it makes you look confident, but when you hunch your back, it makes you appear insecure, and this doesn't make you look good. And also, as ladies, when you're walking, don't walk fast, don't walk like a man. Try to walk slowly and elegantly. This will make you appear more attractive. Always try to make sure that you smile. Smiling makes you appear more attractive, approachable, and confident. It enhances your overall appearance and leave a positive impression on others. So always make sure you smile. This is one of the easiest ways to look good every day. In my next video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you essential accessories that every woman needs. And I'm going to be focusing on accessories that elevate an outfit, accessories that makes you look expensive and classy. Watch this video, but it's not going to be available until next week. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and you tune in next week when I release this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.